Today we're going to make a different version of chicken alfredo pasta without any cream. I was craving chicken alfredo pasta, but I didn't have any cream at home. Then I tried something different, and honestly, it came out amazing. So I decided to share this easy and creative recipe with you too. This is the Therapeutic channel and I'm Lily. For me, baking and cooking are not just about food, they're a form of therapy. That's why I move forward with patience, creativity, and attention to detail. On this channel, you'll learn many different practical and unique recipes. So if you're interested in professional style home cooking, make sure to stay with me. To start, pour the milk into a pan and sift the cornstarch into it. Stir over low heat until it's just warm. Now heat the flour into a separate pan until the raw flour taste is gone. Then add the butter and stir over low heat until it forms a smooth and creamy mixture. Add the cream mixture to the milk and keep stirring over low heat until it thickens slightly. Cut the chicken breast into your preferred size and marinate it with olive oil, spices, and salt. Add the seasoned chicken pieces to a lightly oiled pan and cook them until golden. Add the slightly thickened milk mixture to the chicken, along with the spices and salt. Add the pasta to a pot of boiling water. Cook it just shy of al dente. Add olive oil and salt and cook over high heat. While the pasta is cooking, slice the washed mushrooms and set them aside. Drain the pasta and add it to the pan. Then add the mushrooms as well. Stir everything together, cover with a lid, and cook over low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Your chicken alfredo pasta is ready. Just look how creamy that sauce turned out. For serving, transfer it to a pasta bowl and garnish with Parmesan and herbs if you like. As a side for this dish, pickled vegetables go surprisingly well. This turned out insanely delicious and tastes unbelievably good. Enjoy! Thank you for watching this video until the end. If you made this pasta or have any questions, please write to me in the comments. If you enjoyed my teaching style, liking and subscribing is the best support and helps this video reach more people. Until the next video, take care.